Mina no Nihongo, Lesson 38, Part 1. First, Sankashimasu. Join, participate. Shacho wa kono kaegi ni sanka saremasu ka? Will the company president be attending this meeting? Second, Sudattemasu. To rise, bring up. Aka-chan no sudatteru no wa taihen desu. It is tough to raise a child. Third, Hakobimasu. To carry transport. Nimotsu wo hakobimasu. To carry luggage. Fourth, Nyunshimasu. To get hospitalized. Kino tomodachi ga nyunshimashita. My friend got hospitalized yesterday. Fifth, Tainshimasu. To get discharged. Obasan ga ashita tain deki rusu desu. It seems that my grandma will be discharged tomorrow. 6. Iremasu. Turn on power. Dengen o iremasu. To turn on the switch. 7th. Kirimasu. Turn off power. Dengen o kirimasu. To switch off the electricity. 8th. Kakemasu. To lock. Kagi o kakatte kudasai. Please lock the door. 9th. Sukimasu. To tell a lie. Usu o suku beki devanai. One must not lie. 10th. Kimochi ga ii. Pleasant, agreeable. Suzoshi kaze ga futte kimochi ga ii. Cool breeze is blowing and it's quite pleasant. 11th. Kimochi ga warui. Unpleasant, disgusting. Asakara wa kisu deki kimochi ga warui. I have been feeling notions since morning. It feels very unpleasant. Grammar point 1. No as a nominalizer. No has the function of nominalizing various expressions. The verbs, adjective and nouns which attach to no take the plain form. Grammar point 2. Verb dictionary form no wa adjective desu. Example 1. Tenisu wa omoshiroi desu. Tennis is fun. Example 2. Tenisu o suru no wa omoshiroi desu. Playing tennis is fun. Example 3. Tenisu o miru no wa omoshiroi desu. Watching tennis is fun. This is a sentence pattern in which dictionary form no is presented as a topic by attaching what adjectives such as muzukashi, yasashi, omoshiroi, tanoshi, taihen are often used in this sentence pattern. Compared to sentence 1, which does not use no and which merely states that tennis in general is fun. Example 2 and 3 are more specific, stating that acts of playing and watching tennis are fun. Grammar point 3. Verb dictionary form no ga adjective desu. Example 1. Watashi wa hana o sudatteru no ga suki desu. I like growing flowers. Example 2. Tokyo no hito wa aruku no ga hayai desu. People living in Tokyo walk quite fast. In this example, verb dictionary form no is what described by the adjective. Adjectives describing things like preferences, skills and abilities such as sukina, kiraina, jozuna, hetana, hayai, usoi are often used in this sentence pattern.